Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today we're in downtown Paphos. That's a view to die for. And on top of all of that, I've brought with me the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Ochin Brasivia Labuf.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again, and as tradition goes, well, we get to sit on a little wall and watch the beauty and the spectacality of the view. That's the rear end of Miss Ochin Brasivia Labuf, and of course she's looking out into the abyss across the blue Mediterranean Sea. Absolutely spectacular. Middle of December, the sun is glistening, the temperature is 22 degrees. It doesn't get much better than that. Let's see what she's got to say.
Well, first of all, I am happy that this area been done as a very good and finished surface. I would like to say that many people notice it, and this surface attracts the attention of many people, and they come and gather here. And also they make on this very part a little bit of concerts and shows, which is going on time to time on the holidays.
Yeah, we're on the very start of the Paphos Promenade. We've got views that take your breath away. There's some people sailing into downtown Paphos just over yonder as the sun glistens upon the coastline. And the sea is licking and a-lapping. There's a big bird up in the sky that's just going to touch down in the Paphos airport, which means that there's another 250 wonderful people that are coming to paradise, that's for sure. So stick with us, we're going to take you for a wiggle and a waggle along the coastline of downtown Paphos, name some of the restaurants, some of the bars and some of the businesses along the way, but rest assured you're going to get some spectacular views, and on top of all of that you're going to be entertained by the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Ochin Brasivia Labuf.
Yes, there's plenty of shops which are making a little bit of sales, but hey, it's just a trick.
It's just a trick. Anyway, double trouble's in town, so if you come back for the next video, we've been threatening it for a while, but in the next video, oh yeah, double trouble are going to be live on the camera. Some people understand who Double Trouble are and some people don't, so don't forget to come back for the next video and you're going to see two superstars, and we're all going to sit down and we're going to have a very nice lunch indeed. In the meantime, feast and digest yourself on those spectacular views, and as you can see, there's many tourists and locals alike transcending into the blue Mediterranean Sea off the many little piers that have been constructed in downtown Paphos. This is the municipality changing area, and if you're wondering what time of year it is, middle of December, and the sun is cooking the beautiful island of love known as Cyprus. A spectacular place to come for a weekend, a fortnight, or possibly even the rest of your life. Have a look at that. This one little pier has been constructed by the municipality, which allows you to walk out into paradise and enjoy the beauty, the spectacality of the blue Mediterranean Sea. You can look upon the blue Mediterranean Sea, the harbour and the promenade all rolled into one. It really doesn't get much better than that, because of course Ochin Brasivia Labuf, that's her rear end, and that's what we're following.
Do you know when you said the sun is cooking, I started to remember July and August, when if you drop the fresh egg on the ground, it would be making the fried egg. By the way, I mean the asphalt of it. This is how it was cooking.
I love the way she says asphalt, but yes, that egg would cook in seconds, that's for sure. At its peak, we were probably around 43, 44 degrees, but we average through July and August. I think the actual figure was 37 degrees. Yeah, they cooked us alive. It was like being put into Miss Andrea's air fryer, perhaps.
Yeah, but at the same time, many people are coming just for that cooking atmosphere because they can't be cooked at home. I understand.
I love the formation of the sentences. It takes my breath away anyway. Yeah, people spend an awful lot of money and they travel a long, long way to get this little bit of paradise for a weekend, a week, a fortnight, or possibly, in our cases, the rest of our life. We invite everyone to join us. Paphos is a great, great place to be. On top of Paphos, of course, you've got Portaras further up the coastline, and you've got Ayia Napa. They are our new homes, if you understand, and we will now frequent all three places, and we'll try to do it on an equalness. Although Paphos is where we live, so in general you're going to get more videos of Paphos. Anyway, have a look at that. A nice casual stroll down the Cape of Paphos Promenade on a rather nice Saturday afternoon in the middle of December. There's a little dog. He's not walking, he's being carried. Clever dog. You do wonder sometimes who's the clever ones, the cats or the dogs.
Yes, both they are. They both like to take an advantage and to be looked after well.
Clever, clever. I know someone else who takes an advantage and gets looked after well. It's watching Recibi Alabouf. But that's the way it should be. That's the way it should be. The man, I don't want to sound sexist now, but the man should look after his labouf. Labouf means love, if you're wondering what it means. If you're new to the channel, we'll let you know what the name actually means. Ochin.
Very
Gracivia.
beautiful.
Labouf.
Love.
So, in plain, simple English, my movie star wife's name is Very Beautiful Love. That's my very limited Russian, and that's a view to die for. And there's some families having some fun on the little beach in the middle of the Cape of Paphos Promenade, relishing every moment of that sunshine and enjoying every second of their holiday. Paphos truly is a great, great place to come. So if I was you, get on the internet, get down to that travel agents and book yourself a nice little holiday on the island of love, Paphos Cyprus. It really, really doesn't get much better than that because, well, the sea is blue, the sky is blue. I'm dressed head to toe in blue. As such in Recibi Alabouf, well, she's very, very blue. So all it's actually missing is...
It's you. So get yourself on a big bird or a canoe and start paddling like crazy because we all are simply waiting for you and this paradise.
Paradise is waiting for you. Feast your eyes, have a look at that. Cape of Paphos Promenade at its very, 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 very best. And that's the Cape of Paphos harbour in the distance. As you can see, there's some big boats, there's some small boats. The big boat on the end there, that's the Ocean Vision. That's all over for the season, but that's the luxury big boy in the Paphos Sea Cruises arsenal. And that boat goes out for 4 hours at a time, goes out at the daytime, goes out at the night time. You have the crescendo on the Friday and the Saturday afternoon with the fireworks. 5-star luxury all-inclusive cruise. 75 euros if you're an adult and 39 euros if you're little, and you get to eat and drink all that you can, and you get to party, and guess what? Party some more. It's a great, great place to go. Receive it?
When one day you realize that this paradise provides you the mood, the sunshine, the atmosphere, the places to observe and to enjoy, these lovely restaurants that are making the fresh, nice, tasty food, people are so lovely and friendly. What else would you want?
Yeah, Paphos is a great, great place to come. On this spread of shops over here, you've got the Mooring Snack Bar Restaurant, you've got an ice cream parlour next door to that, and then just over there you've got the English Rose Snack Bar, A couple of gift shops next door to that, and then on the very, very end, that is the Harbour restaurant, which then wiggles round to the right and takes you into the back streets. If you keep going that way, that is where the promenade finishes, and that is where the harbour starts. So stick with us, we've got a little bit further to go, and we understand that Santa Claus is waiting at the end of the promenade, and he wants to give a big, big kiss to Misocci and Recife LaBouffe. There he is, standing in all of his glory. So let's go and see what he's got to say. And if he hasn't got a gift for Misocci and Recife LaBouffe, well, we'll have to have a word with him, that's for sure. But don't forget to come back for the next episode, because in the next episode, we're going to sit down and have a rather nice lunch in the Gelamo restaurant with Double Trouble. Yes, Double Trouble. I've said it before, some people know who Double Trouble are and some people don't. And don't forget to come back tomorrow, because there's another special video coming up. Miss Ella. Who's Miss Ella? Well, Miss Ella is the rather good-looking daughter of the most beautiful woman in the world, who just happens to be Misocci and Recife LaBouffe. So yes, there is another one. So you never know, maybe we can chuck Mr. Constantinos off the balcony and you could find yourself a new LaBouffe.
I think he's a quite good boy, Mr. Paul. Don't joke with that, because the boy hasn't done anything wrong, and he's really, really appreciated by Ella and of course by all the family. We're just joking like that. And I would like to tell you many thanks, and Mr. Santa Claus wants to tell you many thanks for giving us such a lovely, lovely attention and ideas, and the comments that you're writing. Yes, Mr. Santa? He said yes. He's shaking all over now because I taught him. I would like to tell you many thanks again and again, and please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and of course if you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to come back for some more of our madness. There's Santa Clausy, and Misocci and Recife LaBouffe understands that he's come to the wrong country and he needs a pair of sunglasses. There you go. Thanks for watching. That's Santa Claus in downtown Cape of Paphos, looking like a very, very cool dude indeed.
Is it not nice?
Thanks for watching.